Yo, Lion, how are you going? What are you doing?
There, man. A little orange juice and sitting chang, man. Sitting chang.
Hey, what kind of trunk sitting in that room?
As on secret information, man. But me I tell you, man. You see, true lion can't get in a spirit. Lion have to put the spirit in him, you know. I mean, I tell you see, whether I'm under my tam or turban, whether I'm living in a rural or the urban, lion have to sip in bourbon. But you know me, I look me like a fire stick, them man. I come through, so you know. I come. I hear them people over church, I sing a song, them make I laugh this morning. Me say a long time I ain't laugh.
Which
so.
song them a sing?
Me hear them over there say, hush, somebody call my name. Oh my Lord, what shall I do? I say, but them your people are not easy. Imagine somebody a call your name. What God have to do with that? Answer your name, no answer your blasted name, man. Look how busy God is. A man not have no sight, he might ask God for making him sick. A man crippled, he might ask God for making him walk. A man homeless, he might ask God for provide a home for him. A man without work, want God provide work. Man without food, want God provide food. And then they're sitting there and he might try to cure how much disease. And I try to make rain fall one place and try to make sun fall and snow, and then they're sitting there all over. And you hear somebody answer your name. You not answer your name, man. Somebody say, lion. Me can answer and say, yes, man, what happened? And me can say, me not talking with you now, man. Then I easy, man. Me know the man kind-hearted, but you put too much burden upon him sometime, man. Answer your name. You see him all the deacon him out there? Me say, where they me a pass and me hear them, he must sing one song and I say, I want to go to heaven and rest. I'm tired of staying down here. I come up the road yesterday. He have one property out there. A tractor, me say, I dig big foundation, say I got big house. Sand come, steel come, cement and gravel. So he look like him confused. He don't look like him about to go nowhere. Because when they say he want to go heaven, go rest. No, he a build a house down here. So anyway, I have my business for 10 to so I go up a yard and I take up this piece of stick here.
Alright.
Look come where you can check me. Bring one chaser, because you know we have a sip and sitting strong, you know.
Alright, Lion. Boy, Lion and I'm spirit today, though, man. Anyways, my people, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this.